Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another edition of the Sunday Funday Challenge. It's hosted monthly by Deco and the Crafting Cousins. The link to their channels is going to be as usual in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos that are participating this month. This month I'm going to make a basket, a gift basket, for a friend of mine who is having a baby shower and is having a boy. So I found this beautiful basket in the dumpsters. My daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we have a channel which is Dumpster Chicks, and it's going to be linked also in the description box. So if you pay a visit, you will have a lot of fun and we will be very happy. I had this ribbon that I bought at Dollar Tree like 10 years ago, maybe more, and I'm adding it to the basket. It's a little bit complicated because the shape is not perfectly right. I don't know how to say it. So I had to make some foldings all around to glue it to the basket, and this is going to be the front. I'm trying to keep them in the borders, corners, stuff like that, not to affect the front. So I'm going to clean this later. I'm going to finish adhering the ribbon so you can see. I first add the part that is right, that is straight. That's the word I was looking for. Sorry, you know, English is not my mother language, and I'm trying to learn as much as possible, but I still need some improvement. So as you can see, I add the straight part and then I make the fold. I know this has another name, I don't know which is, I don't remember, I know it. But of course, if I have to say it to you in camera, I don't remember. As soon as I finish this video, I will remember for sure. But do this side. She's a friend of mine. She loves everything I do, so she's not going to mind that it is not perfect, because she will appreciate my doing something for her. I always say that I like to invest time instead of money when I make a gift, because for me, at least for me, when I receive something that was handmade, it has more value because a person took the time to think what I could like, and that's very important to me. And I know my friend is like me, so she's going to be very happy and won't mind if there are imperfections. So let's finish this. I'm going to fold this extreme of the ribbon, sorry, and we are almost done. I didn't glue the whole top of the ribbon to give it more flexibility, and I think that this is done. Now what I did was I took pieces of the ribbon and I cut them. I didn't want to make a bow, I wanted to make something different, so I cut pieces of them and I cut a ducktail on every extreme to give it a better finish. I tie them around with a floral wire, and I will try to glue them together. Oh, sorry, they got tangled. Well, that's better because I need them to be crossed. So I'm going to add a little dot of hot glue. And sorry, there is a neighbor making noises. Sorry about that. Okay. And now let me add the third one, like so. More hot glue. What would it be of us crafters without the hot glue? There should be a day dedicated to the inventor, or the one who figured out how to make this very, very important tool for us. Okay, so I have the bowl already glued, and I'm going to add a little piece. I think this is very thin, but well, I think I needed something wider to cover the floral wire. But well, that's what I have, so it would have to do. So now I'm going to try to tie a knot, a couple of knots. Oh, it's not easy, so bear with me. I will do my best to make this quick and finish it as soon as possible, not to make this video like a Hollywood movie. 2 hours and a half later she finished tying the knot. As I always say, not that knot. This knot. Oh, we are almost ready. We're almost done. Let's see how it looks. Ah, yeah, it's okay. I need to cut these tails. Let me look for my scissors. I thought I had them in here, but here they are. So much better. Now I'm going to glue this kind of bow here. Let me see. I like it there. And the basket is finished. Now I have to add the elements that are the real gift. Okay. We are done with the glue gun. Well, I have, all of them are from Dollar Tree. So I bought this beautiful baby blanket, and I'm going to add it in this corner. I have some diapers, and let me see. Yes, I think they look great there. I have this cute bunny. I bought it for Easter, when it was Easter time, and I loved it, and I thought this is perfect for the basket. So I'm going to add this in front of the diapers. I don't know, let me try. I don't know. I think that looks better that way. Here we have some creamy baby oil. I have this bottle, but I'm going to remove the cardboard. I don't know, this because it takes too much room in the basket. And of course she knows I'm not going to place something that is not new. And I don't have babies, so it's nothing that she can think, oh, it belongs to her baby. My babies are grown up. I also bought this. I think it's so funny. Look, from Sesame Street. It's a baby brush and a comb. I remember when my kids were babies, I had them, and I never used the comb. I used the brush a lot, but I never used the comb. Let's see how it looks here. Okay, what else do I have? I have these beads. I'm also going to remove the cardboard or whatever it is. So I can handle them better. Dollar Tree has a lot of things for babies that are so cute. Look at this. This is adorable. So let's see where can I place it. It has Velcro. I think that's better. And I'm going to place it here by the bunny. And I have these washcloths that I'm also going to remove. I don't want to cut them, just the plastic. That was dangerous. Okay, and again, oh, I'm going to roll them. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This one in gray with some kind of boho printing. This one is black and this one is white. The white one was at the bottom. So here we have it. And now I'm going to roll them right this way. I'm going to place it by the bandana bib. This is cute, I love it. And I have also a pacifier, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, sorry. Has the cover. That's something I really like. So I'm going to place this here, like so. And I think that's enough. So yeah. So the basket is finished. And I'm going to wrap it in a cellophane bag, but first I'm going to show it from the front without the cellophane bag. This is my creation for today. Hope you like this idea. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hope to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.